Hi, North Scott Junior High. This screencast shows you how to view your Lancer Way scores from PowerSchool. PowerSchool is where your Lancer Way scores are stored. This is the official Lancer Way score. It's updated every 3 weeks. So the first thing you need to do is log into PowerSchool, and you're going to find typically it's going to be on a screen that says Quick Lookup. I would click this, but I don't want the students' grades all over the place. So Quick Lookup is the screen that you see when you first log in, and it's got all your grades and your attendance and stuff like this. But you'll notice that there's another tab that's called Standards Grades. So click that, and then you're going to see something similar to what I'm looking at. So in order for you to see your Lancer Way scores from this screen, you just need to expand each class. So here you'll see Be Here, Be Involved, Respectful, and Excellent for your current quarter. So this is going to be the most recent. So this student has all 4s for choir. You would then look up Social Studies, for example, by expanding it. And here are the quarter 2 scores for the 4 Lancer Way skills in this class. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your AT teacher. But again, hopefully you can follow this quick screencast to get what you need.